One day for a daydream. One day for a daydream. And I'm lost in a daydream. Dreaming about my bundle of joy. And even if time ain't really on my side, it's one of those days for taking a walk outside. I'm blowing the day to shit, that felt amazing. You know what I did? I thought about Mike from the steakhouse. Guy doesn't even memorize the specials. That's so fucking lazy, right? That was awesome, man. I'm proud of you, kid. Shit, you got blood. Huh? I'm bleeding? Oh my god, I'm bleeding! Holy shit, my first battle wound!
You better stay away from vampires because they can pay you, right?
Hilarious, Rudy. Alright, come on, let's go.
You do look cool.
Yeah?
Like a brave soldier with a very small cut on his head.
Ah, my self-pumped. Whew. I needed that. Yeah, just
You guys
put that
pooped?
little
Hmm?
in the right
Hmm?
direction.
Hmm? 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 Hmm?
Now I can't seem to shake Mike from my brain.
Play, play, play.